In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your TikTok account if your email is already taken or changed by a hacker or something like that. So let's just get straight into the video. When you open your TikTok app, this is going to be the login page you're going to be welcomed by. Click on the top left question mark icon. And now click on recover my account. Now you won't actually need to go ahead and search with your email. You can simply go ahead and search with your username right over here. If your username is also already changed, you can search by mobile number just like that. And once you've searched for your account, so for example, let me just go ahead and show it to you. It's going to give you a couple of ways you can verify yourself, but if those are also not accessible to you, just click on need help on the bottom and click on submit a ticket for email support. Click on account access and then login and account recovery or hacked account. And then you can simply go ahead and put all the details right over here. If you have a screenshot, additionally, that is going to be a plus point, and click on submit and your TikTok support team is going to be in contact with you via email. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll